What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video you're going to see how to lock Facebook profile officially. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application, and once you're there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account, and then head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner, and then go to your profile. From there, just tap on the three dots icon just beside edit profile, and in here you will find the option of lock profile just under the view as option. So go to lock profile, and here tap on lock your profile. So yeah, as you can see, I have locked my profile officially. Tap on OK and your profile is locked. You can see it in here. So yeah, you can also learn about it more from by clicking learn more. This is how you can just lock your Facebook profile officially. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.